through there. Turn it a little bit. Put that right down. Get all that snow out. Another one in there. This is an older model. Here that is for sale. Four-wheel drive, $800 and new tires. Look at those tires, guys. How nice those are. And it's the 6-cylinder V6 model. Toyotas. Look at those. Right down on the metal. There's a grinder for you. This other side isn't too much better. Terrible. Pretty terrible. And I pounded this sleeve back in. We're putting another piece that fits in here. Weld to this old crusty, rusty stuff. Got our pieces and our parts over there. We're heating up. I got my blower in there trying to melt out some frozen snow and ice and stuff on this Triumph TR7 or whatever that is. Fresh and rusty. Fresh and grindy. Alright, got the old Focus here. Mitsubishi diesel. It's like a V8 something. Volkswagen motor. Another Volkswagen motor. Your rods and your pistons. One down here. How to fix the exhaust. Frozen Focus time. Fixing this here. See it? Broke it off right there. And he's getting it ready. All these pieces. I put this flex pipe on. And all that got pulled down by the German Shepherd. Pulled down all the heat shielding. They like to do that. Think I need brakes, boys? That one's a little bit crusty. This one is on more than on its way out. It's just metal now. Metal pancake, and here's the new ones. That's what they should look like.
Where's the other one?
Right down here. What's left of it. You could keep that plate if you want. That could be a gift. You know?
What plate?
The what's left of the brake pad. The metal.
Oh, lucky me.
Yeah. Christmas year round. Pulling it in right here. Hopefully it'll pull in. 15-year-old car, you know? Yeah. Yeah, she's coming in. Coming right into it. Sweet. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah. Wasn't doing that on my Toyota. It was really hanging up. And then I had to replace the calipers on the Volkswagen. It wouldn't go in at all. Yeah, with the light. I set these weird springs. Who would design this? A bunch of monkeys in some government facility down in Detroit? Safety springs, they call them, right? Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, they go underneath that little metal bar thing.
And how it was before?
I have no idea. I think so. I mean, doesn't it seem like it makes sense? But that's going in. Yeah, it seems like that seems more like it. Wonderful.
I didn't think they were coming out like that.
Probably not. Maybe they're going straight down. The other side would show us. your guide one. She's a beauty. I don't know. Yeah, maybe it's just straight up or something.
I think they curled in like that.
And you got that. Let me see. These are going straight up. Like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that. Unless it's going to hit on the rim of the tire. Might have to pull the other one to see how it goes. Those, yeah, I think it's more like that. They go back this way, like that.
I don't think so.
Like that.
I think they go more like that and hook around.
Yeah. Maybe. Why is that even necessary to have? Don't know. I'll stop that. That just happens from those alloy wheels, just going around and around disintegrating. Huh. Wow, that's kind of tough. I've never seen that before. I thought that was part of how they designed it. Get the old pads here again. Old pads all done. And the new pads.
All right, turn the wheel a little straighter.
Okay. It's a plan, man.